Hey everybody, welcome back to Chris and Scott's Colorado Adventures. We are in Manitou Springs today, here at the base of Pikes Peak. I don't think I've been here. If I have, it's been really quick.
It's been a long time since I've been here, but I have been here maybe 30 years ago or so.
Oh my.
So yeah.
So yeah, it's just a little small mountain town. Well, base of the mountain town, if you will. So just gonna wander around, see what's going on, look at the stores, and then we'll probably go check out the cliff dwellings, see what that's all about.
Did you have never done that?
I've never
done that, but
yeah, so I've never done that, so we'll check that out and probably grab something to eat while we're here too. We will not be getting any donuts though, so
no donuts this week.
All right, join us.
All right.
So we have nostalgic souvenir items from the 40s, 50s, and 60s in this case. And you have your ashtray, and look at the elegant plates. It's funny how different souvenirs were back then. Here's your little tea kettles and your silver spoons. Native American artifacts made and donated by Mike Littledeer. It's a pretty cool museum. Nestled in within the gift store. So you kind of go from layer to layer from the gift store to museum to gift store. No. Postcards through time. Yep. Press the vending machine. Yep. Cool. Hey, it's feet. All right, thank you so much for joining us today. That was our quick tour of Manitou Springs. I really enjoyed it. A nice little mountain town.
It was nice today. It was a little cooler, but it was nice.
Yeah, it was a little cooler. Mid-June, here we are.
Wearing hoodies.
Jeez. Went up to the cave dwellers and walked around there. That was really cool, and I really liked that. I thought it was neat.
It is. It's super cool to see.
And we stopped over at the Rainbow Falls, right? Rainbow Falls?
Yes, it's
and
like a 5-minute hike.
Little walk up to the Rainbow Falls, and the fall itself, pretty cool. Water running, pretty cool. Other than that,
there's a lot of graffiti.
Yeah.
The bridge is covered in graffiti. The rocks are covered in graffiti.
And then we walked around Main Street and looked at the little stores, fun little, you know, gifty stores. It's your typical kind of touristy little gifty town, I guess.
A lot of history things, a lot of buildings that have a lot of history, and you can stop and read all the little plaques
and the healing waters.
Yeah.
Little healing water fountains.
Yeah, it was
That's
really
pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that.
Really had a good time. Something a little different for us today. Just a quick video. So, all right. I think that's it. Do you have anything else?
I think that's it.
All right. Well, thanks again for joining us this week at Chris and Scott's Colorado Adventures. Next week, we'll be out somewhere else.
Yeah, and if you are enjoying these videos, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, get your notifications when our new videos come out. So, yeah.
I have about once a week or so. All right. Thanks again for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Look at these little book places. You can stop and drop off your books. And
that's pretty cool.
Pick a new book if you'd like.
We saw one earlier that would look like the TARDIS.
Yeah.
From Doctor Who. Let's see what
that's really cool. What do you got in there?
What do you got? Oh, lots of different kinds.
Oh, what's that one? Out of the Shadows.
Understanding sexual addiction.
What?
Whoop.
Put it back. Put it back. And we're done.